There is always this belief that some incredible stunts Africans perform is usually done with charms, that it is black magic. Many non-Africans don't believe that this is as a result of practice makes perfect. But this line came from the West. They believe that practice makes perfect. But when it comes to Africans, they tend to relate it to charms and black magic. So this is an event where Theresa Onuorah performed, and this is one of his dance members. He performed so many stunts. You can see what he's doing with this tray. You can see what he's doing, and a whole lot of things that he did here. What do you think about this kind of stunt? Is it as a practice makes perfect, or do you think there's a charm or black magic related to this performance? Meanwhile, I'll allow you to watch this video closely from beginning to end, and then tell us what you think in the comment section, why you enjoyed this beautiful performance. Thank you.
Welcome.